there! I'd like to really quickly show you how you can go about making a journaling box down here to coordinate with this rounded edge on the title, as well as this small embellishment at the bottom. So I'm going to make another one that's going to go right here that I'm going to use for journaling today, and I'll show you how I did that. So your first step is going to be to go ahead and figure out what size edge you want. So I decided that I wanted my edge of my circle to be this big. So then I had to figure out from there how wide my paper should be. So just using either your mat or a ruler, figure out the height of your paper. So my paper is going to be 1 3/8 inches, and then from there you can go ahead and just cut a strip of cardstock that is 1 3/8 inches wide. So this is going to be scrap. It's just so that you can find your sizing to start. So you're going to go ahead and grab your circle again, as well as whichever blade you would use. So I'm going to be using the red blade as well as the smallest circle from the circle patterns in the custom cutting system. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to line up your circle just using your eyes. Just make sure that you can see an equal distance on either side of your strip in the center of that circle. So you want to either use your mat to help you out with that by centering your strip on your mat and then centering your circle on your mat. That would be one way of doing it, or you can just eyeball it. There is lots of room for forgiveness here, so it'll work either way. And then you're going to go ahead and take your 2 nibs and put them into the track of your inner circle, and you're going to start on the side. So you want to start where your blade is off the cardstock, and you're just going to do half the circle, only the half that you want to cut off. So you're going to go around just a half a circle, and then you'll stop. And then this is going to cut off this edge while leaving it here. And now what we can do is bring our layout back, and then once I put on my photos and I want to add my journaling, I'm going to add my journaling down here, and I might add my date over here. Hope you found that helpful.